All right, pause the video, try this one on your own. After you're done, unpause the video. I'll show you how I did it using a really effective, really fast framework. Okay, this is how I did it using 4 easy steps. Step 1, read the sentence, get your own meaning into the blank. While scorned and relentlessly mocked by both public and the critics alike during his lifetime, Monet was later blank and celebrated as a visionary whose work transcended his era. All right, I'm going to say celebrated or praised. Step 2, now look at the answer choices and pick one answer choice, just one, that's closest in meaning to celebrated or praised. I'm going to go with lionized, which literally means to celebrate or praise. That's our hook word. Okay, now we forget the sentence entirely, and of the remaining words, which word is closest to lionized? Well, lionized, deified, exalted, meh? Prescient, no. Redeemed, definitely not. Aspersed, no. Um, Exalted is the match. And I know there's some of you thinking, well, why not deified? Isn't the same thing? Deified is close, but deified is too strong. Deified literally means make into a god. We don't want to make somebody into a god. We just want to praise somebody or uplift them or celebrate them. Exalted is closer in meaning to lionized than deified. And finally, we put both words back into the sentence to make sure the sentence means the same thing with each word. Monet was later lionized and celebrated. Yep. And Monet was later exalted and celebrated as a visionary. Yeah, they both work and they both give the sentence the same meaning. Great work. The method I used was called the hook and match framework. It's the 4 steps I just walked you through. If you always use the hook and match framework, you're going to avoid about 90% of the traps that the test sets for you, and you're going to be able to nail hard sentence equivalency fast and accurately every time. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to grab your free gift. It's right there in the link in the description. And if you like more videos like this, remember to subscribe.